now we are going to the aqua park. It's only in 80 minutes, or 80 by 8 minutes ride from the place where we've been to. Now 7, but it's been 8 minutes ago. So yeah, hopefully it won't be really busy. Actually, it seems like it won't be because nothing's really busy today. They have like a day off on Sunday. Left our car in this parking area, and look, everywhere growing palm trees with coconuts growing on them. I'm thinking, what if one of them might fall? It will be quite an uncomfortable situation, especially if you rented a car. But hopefully everything will be fine, as well as the aqua park will completely live up to our expectations. Now we are trying to find where it's located. Escape challenge. Oh, probably it's already the territory of the park. Oh. Wow. And here we go. Lovely trees are growing here. There is ice cream and some souvenirs, probably flip-flops. Oh, you can get this bag for waterproof bag. Yeah. Oh, this is what the park like.
Just get a bed and go somewhere.
First time I see that you need to add your phone number to get a locker. So we'll try to find out whether you can use your local phone number and not like from your country where you came from.
Choose and remember colour. Which
colour? So blue. Payment method. Oh, you need to pay for it. Whoa.
17 for 12 hours.
Pay here. And we got the locker. Walking and carry on walking. I know, I just joined the group of other tourists from Malaysia, supposedly. So yeah, and we're going somewhere where, I don't know, somewhere down the thickets in the jungles. Hopefully won't be eaten by wild animals, and there are no lizards or crocodiles or any other reptiles. Where are we calling them? Damn it. Can I reconsider it?
Oh! One hand. One hand. Once again!
The impression after this thing is that I am alive and this is good. Because I thought that I'm not going to make it at some point. This Kite-flying decided to have a drink, cool down a little bit, and yeah, decided to go for this drink. I have very funny cup, I don't know. Bring positivity. What if we schedule time for laughs? And this is how strawberry pudding smoothie looks like. Very icy, very strawberry. Inside, this is the longest water slide, as it's written, 1,111 meters. Very beautiful number. Here, I don't know what's going on, to be honest. And there, we've just seen a monkey. But it's no longer there. Now I'm going to have a ride on the water slide. One of this, probably. No, this is the biggest one, I suppose. Oh, it's not. No, probably it's the biggest one. So I'm going to go up there. And a couple more of the little ones. I'm actually curious whether they tipping this bucket or not anymore. And off we go. And we're up in the skies, very high. Experience again. Beautiful views. Ooh. Not as fast as to go with someone. I'm gonna try uncomfortable. Taking the camera that one. Oh wow. Here we go.
That fun? Good.
Now we're going to get one of these mats and I will go up there. We need to go quite a while. There are some guys heading in this lazy river. So I scratch my legs a little bit going by this pavement, and it's amazing view from this point. And then do it.
I got drenched. And that's the biggest bucket. Want to speak to camera?
And that was the biggest tipping bucket in the world. To have these food corners everywhere, so if you suddenly get hungry, you can always get something to eat and some drinks. Here you can jump off the cliff and experience this jumping sport from the edge of these funny slides. There are some bigger slides. This is family twister slides, which is quite cool. We try them. And yeah, this is how this Escape Park is like. Now we are leaving. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film a lot, but overall I can say it's a good value for money. You can spend the whole day here while enjoying yourself, getting lots of positive emotions, and yes, definitely won't regret it. Now, after this long, lovely day, we are leaving. This is where we've been to several hours ago. And now we are going back to get change, have a shower and get something to eat.
Wild dogs on the beach.